Yan sila. Kami dito. Tara, tayo na lang. Uy. Sige. Yan. Sabihan tayo. Okay.
USA plays so many games amongst these people. They are a run team. They're looking for that transition three. They're looking for that fast pace. What they're going to try is just lure you into their web tracks. All right, they're going to make you play the pace they want. So the Philippines have to learn to adapt to that. And it's a frenetic pace. No, individual players get to triple digits.
Adventures. Kasi i-picture ka dito. Sa? Tara. Bye-bye.
Pupunta ako dito. Matutuloy ito.
Tayo mga parents naman, tayo picture session. Sila yung mag-active.
Central Highway.
Pinaka-highlights natin. Okay? Harap muna kayo dito. Sir. Sorry po. Ayan. CG is an AI or Artificial Intelligence. Okay? Si CG may kakayahang sagutin yung ating mga katanungan about English, Math, Science, and History. Okay? The first president of the Philippines.
The first president of the Philippines was Emilio Aguinaldo.
Na kapag tinanong niyo siya, tatawagin niyo muna yung pangalan niya, then yung question niyo, okay? At siguraduhin lang din po natin na umiilaw yung kulay blue pag tinanong natin siya. And now, ano naman po ang next na gadget natin? Ito po ang Human Body 3D. All we have to do is put the special flash card dito sa tapat ng ating sensor at makikita lang po natin ang part ng ating human heart and also the part of human body. Ayan. Nakasulat na po siya dyan. Ito na din po yung ginagamit ng ating mga nursing students. Okay? Ito naman yung ating checkered board. Meron tayong column A and B. Okay? Pag tinitigan po natin sila, magmumukha po sila magkaiba ng kulay. Pero, hindi po talaga yung magkaiba ng kulay. Nalala po tayo ng ating mga pansin. Okay? Sige, si letter A, kaya po siya nagmumukhang darker dahil po sa light color na nakasurround sa kanya. While letter B, nagmumukhang lighter because of the dark surroundings. Okay, this is example of optical illusion. Ayan po. Okay? kayo mga girls dyan. Yung girls dito.
That's your shadow. Ito yung sa mga gadget. Yung lilitan ako ng mga gadget ko. Hindi mo gamitin.
Okay, try natin sila. All you have to do is touch the wall.
Papatay namin yung ilaw.
Ayan. So tayo yung iba.
Sabi, yung buko.
Okay, kulang pa.
Ako sir. Ay, sir.
Dito tayo sa kabila. Okay, wait lang. Ayan, sa kabila. Yan. Okay, touch the wall. Make sure na naka-flat, ha? Huwag niyong tatanggalin. Pag tinanggal niyo, hindi yan ma-absorb, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wala magtatanggal. Oh, ayan.
Oh my God.
Tanggalin niyo na. Ayan. Okay. Okay, yung mga tapos na, pwede na tayong lumabas.
Dumikit ko siya doon. Hindi ko na
Oh? Dumikit? Dumikit pa, yari ka, burahin mo yun. Burahin mo yun. Ayan, dito magtanong. Dito Peo, mag-ano kayo? Tanungin mo kung ilang taon na siya. How old are you? Tanungin mo, how old are you? Tanungin mo. Oh, saan Pei? Pei, dito Pei, oh wait Pei. Pei. Ah. Tara. Tape for illusion. Pei.
Yes. Baliktad. Yes.
Yan dito marami kang mga matututunan. Educational insight, art, science, fusion. Tama-tama talaga sa mga bata. Ayan, meron namang ano dyan, kung paano instruction o paano gagawin. Sundan lang yung mga instructions. How it works yun. Paano gumawa. Ito din, no? Human body 3D yung kanilang ano. Ayun, nakikita, oh.
Okay. Pila na po tayo. Kasi po tayo sa ating next station.
Ito yung unang station. Next station tayo. Pei, tara Pei. Next station daw. Ayan, next attraction. Engaging yourself in the electrifying world of electric.
Bea!
Okay.
Hindi nga! Dalawa ka dito. Okay.
Andy.
Nagyan na ako, rabbit eh. Oh, ito.
Wow, ang galing! Panis!
Doon agad sila.
Invisible ano.
Ay, hindi ka makita eh.
Pero hindi mo kailangan maging close. Dapat naka...
Malayo-layo na.
Oh, yan.
Ayan oh.
Kalahati ka lang. Diba? Tap ka lang.
Pepe.
Like our sun, there are countless such twinkling stars in the universe. That means, technically, our space should be flashing with brightness. Isn't it, friends? But for some strange reason, when we marvel at the images of space on the internet, despite these numerous shiny objects, space appears to be a dark place. In other words, completely black, just like nighttime, which makes us wonder, why is it black? Well, for that, first we should know why the Earth has so much light. And the answer for that lies in the Earth's atmospheric layer. Yes, this layer is made of molecules of gases, water droplets, dust and dirt. So when light coming from the sun hits these objects, it scatters in different colors that travel in different directions, allowing us to see the blue sky and the gorgeous shades of sunrise and sunset. On the other hand, although space has some gas and cosmic dust, but there is no atmosphere with molecules that will reflect not go beyond a certain distance. Another reason space appears dark is because light can travel at a specific speed, and as most stars are located far, far away from our planet, the light coming from them is yet to reach us, or it might die away even before arriving at our planet. But then, what about the stars closest to our planet? Well, you won't believe it, but after our sun, the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, is actually more than 4 light years away from us, which is about 25 trillion miles away. As comparatively, our sun is only 93 million miles away from us. Plus, Proxima is 7 times smaller than our sun and gives off only a fraction of the sun's brightness. So, because there is no other bright object near our planet, space appears black to us. But here is the thing, my friends. Space only appears black because our eyes can't detect other forms of light. But scientists have developed technologies that allow them to see other colors which are hidden to our naked eyes. This has given them. Next time, it's me, Dr. Binox, zooming out.
Okay, kids, stand up na po, pwede na po tayo mag-take po ng pictures and videos.
Yan guys, okay na. Tapos na, uwi na. Oo. Nilatag lang. Okay. Okay. Yun na. Okay. Uwi na tayo. Naka-picture ka na rin yan, Pay, no?
Kuya, tinitawan.
Saan? Diyan? Sige, ah.